This is for you if you want to manifest an ex back, an up-leveled version of him, or someone new. Welcome to the 14-day Queen Up Challenge. As I've mentioned before, there are 3 simple steps to manifesting anything that you want, whether it be an ex, a new person, health, love, money, anything. It is just 3 simple steps. And you are going to learn the 3 steps I teach clients and students in this 14-day challenge. The first step that we started with is setting the intention of what you want to manifest, but from the right energy. Needy energy repels. It repels you, it repels me, it repels everyone and everything. Attractive, magnetic, confident energy brings to you everything that you deserve. It is key to set this intention from the right energy space. We went through very clear examples of what to do and what not to do in day 2. If you haven't watched that, go back to day 2 to make sure you're setting the intention from the right energy. And if you're not sure, post it in the comments so I can give you feedback. As you've been seeing in the comments, some of you are really getting it. Great job. Those of you that still need to work on it, here's something that you need to keep in mind. Whenever you are saying that you want to manifest a change in the other person, he treats me like a queen, he finally chooses me, he apologizes for what he did, you are giving away your power. Whenever you're focused on the other person, you give away your power because you don't truly believe that that can change. You have no control over that. In order to be able to set the intention from a queen magnetic confident space, you need to take the power back. The way we do this is to focus on you. What is it that you want to manifest? What is it that you want to feel? We want to stand in the position of already having that thing that we want and describing that intention from that space. You're living and breathing and being this person that already has it. I love the way I am treated. We have the most delicious connection. We enjoy each other's company. We get each other. Can you see the difference? So example of a yes would be, my relationship is full of love and harmony. Thank you, universe, for allowing me to receive my desires in my reality. Everything is always working out for me. One that we want to work on and change. I am so happy to have a happy relationship with my SP. He understands me. He gives me his time and his attention. He is ready to fully commit. He feels like home. Again, the focus is on him and what he's doing or what he's not doing, and that is giving away our power, which puts us in a needy, lacking energy. Needy energy repels. So again, the first key to manifesting is really setting that intention from that energy space that attracts what you want. This is the foundation of it all. If we are not setting this correctly, we cannot build on it with step 2 and step 3. So take your time to do this. As I promised, somebody asked, but how do I set this intention if I am heartbroken? Yes, it's absolutely right. If we're heartbroken and you're horrible, it just happened recently and you're feeling devastated, of course you're going to be in a lot of pain. So setting this intention from that queen magnetic energy is not going to be easily possible. This is where we have to allow ourselves a little bit of time to feel it, to heal it, to process it. This is an important time to care for you, to give yourself what you need. This is something that I work with clients and students in detail through the 16-week manifestation mastery program. It is essential that you allow yourself a little bit of time to process, to feel, to start to heal that wound. It is raw right there. It is not something that we can ignore, and I'm going to set this intention from that queen magnetic energy. It's not going to happen like that. So my invitation to you to start would be, what is something that you can do for yourself, to care for yourself? Think about anything that feels really good to you and start there. And slowly you'll be able to step into a space that feels more hopeful, from which you can activate this desire and start massaging it so that it comes from that queen magnetic energy that attracts to you everything that you want. Focus on this step today, setting that intention from that Queen magnetic energy. I'll circle back to provide some feedback posted in the comments, and tomorrow we're going to start diving into step 2 of the manifestation process.